Okay, students, see this picture. This is the human pancreas. Pancreas cell. Inside the cell DNA is present. So that DNA we have which gene it is responsible to produce the human insulin. That gene it is removed in a segment with the help of the restriction endonucleases. This is the bacterial DNA. So the E. coli bacterium. So E. coli bacterium have a separate bacterial DNA and then in a plasmid DNA. Already I told no, plasmid is a circular DNA. Extra it is present in this organism. Okay, so we also cut in a fragment with the help of the restriction endonucleases. So this gene it is introduced into the plasmid DNA. So now this DNA it is known as the recombinant DNA. So this recombinant DNA it is introduced into the bacterium, E. coli bacterium. Introduction of the recombinant DNA into the bacterial cell. So here naturally bacterial DNA it is involving in the process, replications process. At the same time this bacterial DNA, this plasmid also they can involving in a for replications process. In the DNA, so this replication it is not influenced. So இதை இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் பண்ணாது, இந்த பாக்டீரியல் டிஎன்ஏ இதை இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் பண்ணாது. எப்போ இந்த பாக்டீரியல் டிஎன்ஏ அந்த ரெப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் ப்ராசஸில் இன்வால்வ் ஆகி நிறையா மல்டிபிள் காப்பீஸை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுமோ அதே மாதிரி இந்த பிளாஸ்மிடோ ரெப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் ப்ராசஸில் இன்வால்வ் ஆகி நிறையா மல்டிபிள் காப்பீஸை வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, ஸோ recombinant bacteria multiplying and produce human insulin in fermentation tank. ஸோ இந்த பிளாஸ்மிட்ஸ் நிறைய அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை ஆகி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த ஃபெர்மெண்டேஷன் டேங்க்கில் நம்ம செப்பரேட்டாக வச்சுட்டோம். they can produce. So now for what? This gene they can produce the human insulin. Okay, can you understood all of you? Human insulin. So the extraction and purifications of the human insulin. So in artificial manner what we have said, A chain, B chain. So that another for what? One new C chain. It is the leader segments. So first they can produce. It is the pre-pro insulin. Okay, pre-pro insulin precursors. That C chain also it's present. That is the leader. Okay, leader sequence. So proinsulin. Then after the pre-proinsulin they can produce the proinsulin. So after the production of this we can remove this C chain. இதை நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், அடுத்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்தோன்னே அந்த ஃபார்மெட் எல்லாம் வந்தோடனே இந்த சி செயினை நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடுறோம். அப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்ண ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக they can produce the human insulin. We can extract the human insulin. Okay, then it is marketable in the name that is known as a humulin. Okay, so that diabetic patients to recover the deficiency of the insulin they are using the humulin injection, that is the insulin injection. Okay, continuously they can get the for what? Insulin hormone due to the deficiency of their body. Can you understood students all of you? So Best and Banting in the year 1922 isolating insulin from the pancreatic islets of a dog and demonstrated its effectiveness against diabetics. Very first in the year 1921 itself the two scientists Best and Banting they have isolated the insulin from the pancreas of islets of a dog. Okay, so they have demonstrated what is the effectiveness it is present in the against the diabetic patient, that they have explained in the year when 1921 itself. Okay students, can you understood all of you clearly? Okay, then another here one they have given that recombinant technology. Somatic cells nuclear transfer is a technique for creating a viable embryo from a body cells and then egg cells. This technique discussed. So animal cloning, about the animal cloning we will discuss later. But somatic cells na the body cells. So body cells nuclear transfer, that technique also it is involving to produce a viable embryo. Okay, from a body cells and in an egg cells. Okay, we can produce the viable embryo. That technology it is known as the animal cloning. That animal cloning technology we will discuss later in this lesson, but later we will discuss. Then extra they have given one point, do you know point in the year this do you know they will ask in a 2 mark question and then in a 1 mark question also. In the year 1997 Rosie is a transgenic cow First it is produced in a human protein enriched milk. Human protein கொடுக்கக்கூடிய enriched milk. Okay, they have produced, it is secreting in the transgenic cow rosy, which is contained the human alpha lactalbumin. Okay, human alpha lactalbumin, it is helpful for synthesis in the human proteins. So protein rich milk 2.4 gram per liter was a nutritionally balanced food for newborn babies than the normal milk produced by the cows. So normal milk cows produce பண்ணுறத காட்டிலும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 2.5 கிராம் பெர் லிட்டர் ஒரு லிட்டருக்கும் 2.4 கிராம் ஆஃப் ப்ரோட்டீனை எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஹியூமன் ப்ரோட்டீனை சிந்தசிஸ் பண்ணுது இந்த டிரான்ஜெனிக் கவ் ரோசி. Okay, it is produced in the year 1997. Okay, students, can you understood all of you? Recombinant human insulin. 5 mark they will ask. You must practice this diagram also. Okay, can you understood all of you?